welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and if you're new here to my channel, if you would please go ahead and subscribe right there. Ring the bell, you'll be notified of future cooks. But tonight, just getting home from work, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some chicken strips, chicken fingers, whatever you want to call them, right here on the Blackstone. They're really easy to make. Normally we do them in a pan with, with a ½ inch or so of oil. We're going to shallow fry them on the Blackstone, and let's get inside and we'll get them prepared. Okay, for our chicken fingers, we're going to dip them in egg wash. It's just 3 eggs and a little milk in there. We're going to dip it in the egg wash. We're going to put it in the flour. The flour already has some garlic pepper in it. Big surprise, right? Okay, shake it off. Back into the egg wash. And one more time into the flour. Now, I'm not going to make you watch me do every one of these. I have 3 chicken breasts cut up into strips. Chicken strips, chicken fingers, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, so after I've got them all done, this is what they look like right here. And we're going to get them out to the griddle. I've already got some canola oil on my griddle. The griddle's at 367. Hot enough. And we're going to start putting our chicken, and as the Wall twins would say, and the crowd goes wild. I love the Wall twins. So we're going to get these, all these chicken strips on here. Strips, fingers, whatever. This is one of our favorites. We don't do them too often, but we love chicken strips. I'll put the smaller ones back here in the back. I think I can get all of these. This is 3 chicken breasts cut into strips. So with the oil that I put down, I think I've got room. Got 3 left here. That one. This one here. And maybe one up front. Okay. So you want to let these go for about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes per side. You just want to keep an eye on them. Look underneath, wait until they're nice and golden brown. When they are brown, then you can go ahead and give them a flip. So I'm going to check this one right here, nice and golden brown. And look at that. Okay, looks like he's here in the center part. Looks like the heat zone is right in there, so you can flip these. And if you flip one over and it doesn't quite look done, these in the back, I'm sure need a little extra time. But if you get one that doesn't look golden brown, hey, just put it back over. Oh, like this one right here. Okay, it's not quite brown. I'm going to move it, try to get a little more into the hotter zone over here. And let them go. You can see some of this chicken on the top. It has turned, it's not white yet, but it's getting done. It's not as pink as it was when I laid it down. And these front ones are obviously done. So, just keep looking. As soon as they're ready, you can tell. You just don't want to burn them. You just let it go, let it go. I'll tell you what, we love chicken strips here. They're so good. Ready, all flipped. You can dip them in ranch, or barbecue sauce, or ketchup, or whatever you want. Chicken strips are just delicious. We're going to get them nice and crispy. And these in the front look done. And we are going to get them all peeled off in a second. But first I want to just show you can, just to make sure they're done. Take a temp probe in them. We're at 171 looks like, so these are done. I'm going to pull them off and get them onto my cookie sheet. Just like that. Oh man, look at that. Perfect chicken fingers. Okay, man. Chicken fingers. Oh my God. Very good. Very good. Easy to make and delicious. All right, get out there and make you some.